guys, happy Valentine's week, and in this video I'm going to be creating this particular look which is inspired by this girl on Instagram. I'm going to link her Instagram account below into the comments. Make sure to check out. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to take my Plouise Eyeshadow palette. This is from her Stack 'em Up collection and this one is called Money Comes. Now this eyeshadow palette is perfect for creating our eyeshadow look for today. Okay, first I'm gonna take this angled brush like so, and I'm gonna take this first shade called No Limits. Just going to cover the tip of the brush, tap off the excess, and I'm going to just sketch this shape which is starting from our inner corners of the eyes all the way towards the arch of our brow. I'm gonna do the same onto the other side. Okay, next I'm going to take a very small precision brush. This is from Sigma. This is the Sigma L04 brush, and I'm going to dig into this shade called Rich Energy, and we're going to just do small scratching motions like so to just blend around these harsh edges. If you're doing any sort of like a detailed eye look, I suggest you to go as small and tiny brushes as well, especially if you've got hooded eyes like me. Okay, next I'm going to take another brush. This is the Sigma E36. Unfortunately, I think this is discontinued, but you can take any sort of precision eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to take this shade called Investment, which is sort of this baby pink. And I'm going to start blending it up and towards the front of my brows. Also, I'm going to just bring it ever so slightly towards my nose bridge. Okay, next I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and I'm gonna take this shade called Interest, which is this bright pink. I'm just gonna take a small amount and pack it towards the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to go back with this Sigma L04 brush and the shade No Limits. Next on my fingers, I'm going to take this shade called Dollar Sign. This is a beautiful duochrome eyeshadow. It has like a pinkish green ship to that, and I'm just going to place it on my mobile eyelid like so. Okay, next I'm going to go back with the small angle brush. I'm going to go back into this shade called Deep Limits, and we're going to just create a small winged eyeliner using the eyeshadow only. Also, I'm going to use this shade on my lower lash line as well. And next I'm gonna go back with my blending brush, and we're gonna go in this shade called Investment to sort of smudge out my lower lash line. Okay, next I'm gonna take this NYX retractable eyeliner. This is in the shade Brown, and I'm gonna use this on my waterline. Okay, for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna take this shade called Profit, and I'm gonna take a small shader brush. We're gonna take this shade and I'm just gonna apply it towards the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Sky High mascara and I'm gonna just apply one coat of this. So for my lashes, I'm gonna take this sort of like a half lash. I'm gonna take the Sephora cheek palette and take this blush. I'm going to just apply it a little bit heavy. I'm gonna use a little bit of blush on my nose today, and I'm looking lovesick. So this is the eye look complete. What do you guys think about this? Let me know into the comments. So you guys, this is the finished look. I know it's not quite wearable, but who cares? Just enjoy, and self-love is really important. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching.